ones who show up even when they're scared. Perfection is a lie we tell ourselves to delay progress. It whispers, "You're not ready yet. You're not good enough yet. Wait a little longer." But life doesn't wait, opportunities don't wait, and success doesn't wait for you to become perfect. It responds to the ones who are bold enough to take action despite their flaws. Success does not come to those who avoid failure. It comes to those who are willing to fail and still try again. And that takes courage, real courage. The kind that's quiet, consistent, and deeply personal. The kind that gets up after a silent breakdown. The kind that keeps moving forward when no one else claps for you. The kind that believes, maybe I'm not perfect, but I am enough. So many people never begin because they are afraid of not doing it right. They wait until they feel confident. They wait until the timing is ideal. But confidence doesn't come first, action does. Clarity doesn't come before the step, it comes with the step. You don't become ready and then act, you act, and then you become ready. That's courage. That's the beginning of your story. You may think others are ahead because they're smarter or more talented. But often, they just dared to start before you did. They didn't wait for perfection. They trusted their courage. And even when they made mistakes, they chose to learn instead of giving up. Success belongs to those who aren't afraid to be seen as imperfect while they grow. Courage says, "I will show up even if my voice shakes." Courage says, "I may not be the best, but I'll give my best." Courage says, "I will fail forward." And that mindset changes everything. People often think courage is loud and dramatic, but most of the time it's invisible. It's getting out of bed when your heart is heavy. It's saying no when you've always said yes. It's starting again when everything inside you says stop. These are not small things. These are acts of quiet bravery that lead to real transformation. Perfection teaches you to hide. Courage teaches you to try. Perfection tells you to pretend. Courage tells you to be honest. And it is honesty with yourself, about your fears, your desires, your goals, that builds the foundation of success. There will be people who doubt you. There will be voices that question you. But the voice that matters most is the one that says, "I will do it anyway." You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take the next right step. One step with courage is more valuable than 1,000 steps planned in fear. If you wait to feel ready, you might wait your whole life. But if you decide to be courageous, your life will begin to move. You will make progress not because you are perfect, but because you are persistent. And in that persistence you will grow. You will evolve. You will discover strength you never knew you had. Stop comparing yourself to someone else's highlight reel. Stop measuring your worth by your mistakes. Start asking yourself, am I willing to keep showing up? Because every time you do, you get better. And one day, you'll look back and realize that it wasn't perfection that brought you success. It was your courage to begin, your courage to stay, and your courage to rise again. The world does not need more perfect people. It needs real people, brave people. People who are willing to tell their truth, to chase their vision, to do their best even when it's messy. That is how change happens. That is how dreams are built. So today, don't wait for everything to align. Don't wait to feel fearless. Don't wait to be perfect. Just be courageous. Take that step. Speak that idea. Begin that journey. Because success will never require you to be flawless. It will only ever ask that you be brave enough to try. Failure. Just the word alone feels heavy. For many it sounds like the end of the road, the moment dreams die, the place where we give up and turn around. But that's only one way to look at it. There's another truth. One far more powerful: failure is not the end. It is a test. It's life's way of asking, how much do you really want this? And your answer isn't spoken, it's shown in your actions, in your resilience, in your ability to stand up after the fall. We grow up hearing that success is everything. We're taught to aim high, to win, to achieve. But what we're not told often enough is that failure is a part of that journey. It's not a distraction. It's not a punishment. It's a teacher. It's a mirror. It reveals not what you lack, but what you need to learn. It shows you your weaknesses not to shame you, but to strengthen you. Every person who has ever done something meaningful has failed. Not once, not twice, but many, many times. What sets them apart is not their ability to avoid failure, but their decision to rise after it. They chose to see failure not as a full stop, but as a comma, a pause, a redirection, a lesson. And that choice made all the difference. You might be carrying the weight of a failure right now. Maybe you started something and it didn't go as planned. Maybe you tried to trust again and got hurt. Maybe you gave your best and it still wasn't enough. It hurts. It feels unfair. But don't let that pain trick you into thinking you're not capable. Failure doesn't mean you're not good enough. It simply means you're still growing. Sometimes the most important parts of your journey will happen right after you fall. Because it's in those moments that you are forced to decide, will I give up or will I grow up? And growth, true growth, is always uncomfortable. But it's also where your strength is born. Failure has a way of stripping you down, removing the distractions, silencing the noise, and revealing what you're really made of. It brings you face to face with your fears, your doubts, and your limits. And in that space, if you choose courage over fear, you begin to rise. You see, success does not ask you to be perfect. It asks you to be persistent. It asks you to try, to fail, to learn, and to try again. Every setback you face is not pulling you away from your purpose. It is preparing you for it. The depth of your failure can build the foundation for the height of your success. Failure is the universe's way of making sure you are ready. It is life asking, are you serious about this? It's easy to talk about dreams when everything is going well. But it's in the dark seasons, the silent battles, and the lonely nights that your commitment is truly tested. And here's something you need to know. You are allowed to feel disappointed. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to take a moment. But don't you dare let failure define you. Let it refine you. Let it push you to dig deeper, to become wiser, to return stronger. There is no shame in failing. The real shame is in quitting. Because the moment you stop trying is the only moment failure becomes permanent. As long as you keep moving, keep learning, and keep believing, you are still in the game. You are still on the path. And the destination is still waiting for you. So when failure knocks on your door, and it will, open it with your head held high, welcome the lesson, embrace the growth, let it shape you, not stop you. And then, when you're ready, get back up and move forward with even more fire than before. Remember, every great story has chapters of struggle. Every champion has tasted defeat. Every masterpiece has gone through revision. And every soul that has ever succeeded first had to survive the moment they almost gave up. So the next time you fall, remind yourself this is not the end. This is a test. A test of your faith, your strength, your will. And you were made to pass this test. Not because you're perfect, but because you're determined. Because you've decided that success depends on you. And because you know deep in your heart, this is just the beginning. There will be times in life when no one claps for you. No one checks in. No one reminds you of your worth or tells you to keep going. And it's in those quiet, lonely moments that the most important truth reveals itself. You are your greatest source of motivation. We often wait for someone else to validate our dreams. We hope for that one voice to say, you can do it, before we begin. But what if that voice never comes? What if no one sees your potential the way you do? Will you give up, or will you rise? Because real success doesn't begin when the world believes in you. It begins the moment you believe in yourself. There's a power inside you that doesn't need applause. It doesn't need likes, followers, or approval. It only needs one thing: your decision to trust it. Your motivation shouldn't be based on someone else's schedule, mood, or opinion. It should be rooted in your purpose, your pain, your passion. The truth is, the world gets busy, people have their own struggles. And while their support is beautiful, it is not reliable. But you are always with you. You are the one who wakes up with your dreams, who hears your thoughts, who feels your fears. You are the only one who truly knows how far you've come. And that makes you the most powerful person in your journey. Some days you'll feel invisible. You'll put in effort, and no one will notice. You'll fight battles no one else sees. But just because it goes unnoticed doesn't mean it's not meaningful. The work you do in silence, The discipline you hold